Good day and welcome to another Wily Wednesday. Now today is a tip that we all know we should do, but most of us don't actually do. And that is being prepared. Good old Boy Scout saying, I think. What do I mean when I say be prepared? A few days ago, I went to do some work down at the allotment and I took our drill. Good old drill from IKEA, which I have to say we found to be one of the best drills we've ever bought. I got down there, started doing what I needed to do, and then halfway through the battery failed. Why did the battery fail? Because I hadn't charged it. What I normally do when I come home from doing work at the allotment is I charge this, which charges directly, or if I've been doing strimming or using other electricals, I charge the battery. And then I know that when I actually come to use it again, the battery is fully charged. I don't have to have that awful frustration about, oh, I want to do the strimming, oh, all the batteries are dead. And I know that many of us have done the same thing with our cameras and our camera phones when we're filming YouTube videos and other things. So when you have done a job like drilling or strimming or mowing or even cleaning your tools, when you have used your tools, try and take that little time at the end of that period when you get home or when you're at your shed at the allotment to charge up your batteries so that they're fully charged for next time. Also your tools, your forks, your spades, that type of thing, make sure you wipe them down and get all the soil off, because you know that when it comes to doing something with that fork in about 2 weeks' time and you take it out of the shed, those little bits of ground are really going to annoy you. My dad, who was brilliant at doing all of these things, used to have a rag with an oily rag in the shed, and what he would do is when he had finished his tools, his metal tools, he would take all the soil off and then just wipe them down with this oily rag. And his tools lasted and lasted and lasted. It's such a shame that in their final move, some of those tools didn't come to me. But you know what? I wasn't really growing significant. Well, I wasn't growing at that time. We had our own garden and we had our tools, but we didn't have an allotment at that point. But some of those tools that Dad had, I know we give them to charity shops, but it would have been great if they come to us. Anyway, they didn't. What's it? No crying over spilt milk, that type of thing. So I'm not crying over spilt milk. Anyway, that's today's Wily Wednesday. Be prepared when you have used your electrical items down at the allotment or in the garden. Charge them either in your shed if you have an electrical charger in your shed, or when you get home, because then the next time you come to use that item, you won't have to worry about it not being charged. Okay. Thanks very much for watching. Please do subscribe if you like what we do, and we will see you soon. Bye.